This video is going to show you how to make pizza burgers. So you will need mozzarella cheese or any kind of provolone, mozzarella. I use the Italian blend, pepperoni, some pizza sauce, and I have 12 hamburger patties here. All this is ground beef. And we're going to put some of the sauce right on top. On all of them, just a tablespoon. We'll always put parchment paper down, so easy cleanup. You can use any kind of sauce that you like. I just choose any kind of pizza sauce. You can use spaghetti sauce if you want to. Then you put some pepperoni on it. About 6 to 8 pieces on each burger is good. Again, any kind of pepperoni you like too. I just get this thin sliced at the deli, and it works fine. And just cover each burger with the pepperoni. Then we're going to bake it in the oven, covered with aluminum foil on 365 for about 45 minutes. And then once they're all done, we'll top it with cheese, let the cheese melt, and then they'll be done. So now all we do is cover it with aluminum foil and bake at 365 for 45 minutes. After being in the oven for 45 minutes on 365, we put cheese on them. I'm just using pizza cheese. It's a blend of provolone, mozzarella, Parmesan, Maggiago cheese. Put on how much you like. Then we'll put it back in the oven just to melt the cheese, and then they're done. That is pizza burgers. Here are the pizza burgers, all done, cheese melted. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Again, you bake it at 365 for 45 minutes. Then you add the cheese for another 5 minutes till it's melted, and they're done. All you need is ground hamburger, some pizza sauce, some pepperoni, and your favorite kind of cheese.